The Ozcode Production Debugger can be used on IIS, on-premise or in a cloud-hosted virtual machine. To install it, log into the web server and run the Ozcode Production Debugger installer. In the installer, select a location to install the debugger. The default is typically fine. Select Attach to IIS application pools. If your application is a .NET Core application, leave Attach to Desktop Applications checked. Otherwise, you may uncheck it. For .NET Core applications, you may browse to the executable and select it. Enter the Ozcode token found under Applications in your Ozcode dashboard. Finally, click Install to begin the installation. Finally, click Finish to exit the Setup wizard. By default, it will restart IIS. If you wish to delay the restart of IIS, you may uncheck this button. The Ozcode Production Debugger is now installed. Any exceptions within your application will be intercepted and sent to the Ozcode Production Debugger.